Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I had a company, Aliza, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I hope I am, Aliza Naturals, send me this, and it is a 3-in-1 cleansing paper. Let me read it. A revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin, leaving it gorgeously soft and clean, free from artificial fragrances and colors, gluten, and ethanol alcohol. Aliza 3-in-1 face cleaning paper will transform the way you wash your face. Place 1 to 3 cleaning sheets on the palm of your hand, moisten with water, and gently rub together until melted into a silky foam. Gently apply the foam on your face in circular motions. Rinse with water and pat skin dry. So I am going to try this. I told them that I would do an honest review on YouTube, so that is what this is about. Now, they did send me this product for free, but you can purchase it on Amazon, and I will leave a link below so that you can get one for yourself if you are so interested. I'm kind of excited about trying it. I'm just about ready to take my bath for tonight and just taking off all my jewelry. I need to put it away, but this will be good for now. Take off my watch. And let's open this up. I didn't bring a tripod up here. So we're just going to do it right here, and I'll just go to the sink and then I'll just come back here so you can see. But it comes in this really nice container. I'm really liking that a lot. And I can throw that box away. But let's open this up. This is really cute. Wow, look at this. The packaging is fabulous. And then here are the papers. And they are really thin, so I'm going to use 2. It says 1 to 3. It smells clean. It doesn't smell yucky at all. They almost feel plasticky, but you can tell they're coated with something, so that's kind of neat. Yeah, it smells like soap. It smells very clean. And it looks like there's a mirror in here. That might have a coating on it that I could take off if I'm pretty sure it has like a plastic coating on it. So if you were using this to travel, you could certainly take that plastic coating off. I'm trying to get it. I don't know if there's like a secret. Struggling with the plastic. But really, that's not a huge big deal at all to me. I'm going to use the fingernail file that I used to open the package. Ooh, I don't want to break the mirror. I'm getting it now. Okay. So there we go. It's just a mirror, but it's a very nice mirror. It's not magnifying or anything, which, I mean, I don't even really know. I mean, the mirror is a bonus to me because I don't know that I would use it, but if I was putting on my makeup, or let's say I was at a hotel traveling, which is probably when I'd use these most, I would be able to use this to put my makeup on as I'm using my other stuff. So, I mean, it's kind of nice. I love the case. I really do. So let me go get these wet and I will be right back. I'm just putting them right in my hand like this. Okay, I am back. It didn't take any time at all to get them to lather up. And I haven't taken off any of my makeup yet. I'm getting this really close to my eyes, probably not recommended, but it is actually how I would clean my face, so I'm just doing it like I normally would. And it does not burn at all. And I can tell that it's doing a nice job already. And it's getting off my lipstick, which is huge. Okay, I'm just gonna go rinse this off and I will be back again. Okay, so I have cleaned my face and I just used a washcloth at the very end just to kind of help get rid of the soap that was still on. And it is burning my eyes now, and you can see how it's a little bit red right here. It doesn't hurt. I mean, the red doesn't hurt. The burning eyes hurts, but it's no different from any other soap, so I'm kind of used to it. I feel like it did a decent job on my lipstick. I still have a little bit of lipstick right here, but that is more than most of my cleaners remove for my lipstick anyway. And I have a little bit of mascara underneath my eyes still, which is, again, not uncommon. So I will get that off. I'm actually going to do a mask tonight too, but I think it did a really good job. I mean, I feel like I had plenty of makeup on, and I feel like it has totally cleaned my face. I feel like it's soft, and yeah, I like it. So I would definitely recommend it. I think that it did a great job. Yeah, so it is Aliza, and again, I will leave the link below. It's really easy to use. I am impressed that it comes dry so that it's going to be good for a long time. Like I said, I think I'm going to use this to travel, so I'll put this in my travel bag. I think it'll be fabulous for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.